Good morning, guys. This is the Aviation 440. We're currently down in Leeds East Airport, and we're in the Golf Bravo Mike Kilo Romeo, which is a Pa-28. We've got actually a very exciting flight today because it's, for one thing, in the British summer, we're finally getting some sun, which is unreal. It's been raining literally the whole month, so to have this sun out, it's just incredible. I'm here today with Charlotte as well. You can say hello to the camera.
Hello.
She is very camera shy, so probably won't say much. So, as I said today, we've got an exciting flight. The only reason for it being is because it's going to be a nice scenic flight. So we're going to take off from Leeds East Airport. From Leeds East Airport, we're going to fly to the Battersea Neighbour Marina, fly over York. From York, we're going to go down to Pickering. From Pickering, going to go over to Scarborough, so we're going to see the nice east coast. From Scarborough, we're going to head back towards Leeds East again, so it should be a nice flight. One thing that we'll need to do before we actually depart is just get some fuel. So we're just going to contact the tower now and get some information and then go get some fuel. Fenton Radio, good morning, this is Golf Bravo Mike Kilo Romeo, request radio and fuel information.
Golf Bravo Mike Kilo Romeo, Fenton Radio, readability 5, runway 24, right hand, QNH 1018.
Readability 5, runway news 24, right hand and QNH 1018, Golf Kilo Romeo. So now we're going to taxi across to the fueling station, and once we're down there, we're just going to fuel up. Golf Kilo Romeo is taxiing from Hangar 3 to the fueling bay to get some fuel.
Kilo Romeo, roger.
We've just fueled up right now and we'll do our power checks. One thing to always do is use the checklist, as we're all humans, and so by not using the checklist, it is very likely you'll miss something out, hence why I always stick to it. So we've got the aircraft position into wind, parking brake is on, temperature and pressure all in green, T's and P's all okay. Fuel selector, we have we're going to select the fullest tank. We've just fueled up, so both tanks are the same, but we've been on the left-hand side tank, so we're going to change over to the right-hand side tank as well, because it is a Pa-28, so we do need to switch the tanks over. Make sure we've got the mixtures rich. Area looking around is all clear. Throttle lookout and set throttle to 2000 RPM, so all clear. Throttle up to 2000 RPM. Check that brakes are holding, temperature and pressure all in green, suction between 3 and 5, oxygen is between 3 and 5, yes. Warning panel test, just press the test, all okay. Carby check, got a small drop, magneto check. That is working. And throttle back to idle again. Idling very nicely. Back to 1200 RPM, now before takeoff. So, trim set for takeoff neutral. Flaps are going to be taken off without flaps. Fuel quantity sufficient as we just fueled up. Carby is off. Fuel pump goes on. P2E goes on as well. Throttle friction set tight, mixture is rich, primer in, plug temperature and pressure all normal, magnetos are on both, instruments set aligned, 320, 318 on it, yeah, so it's all good, controls full and free movement, good. So we can now taxi across to the holding point, Bravo 1. Golf Kilo Romeo, power checks complete and taxiing to Bravo 1. Golf Kilo Romeo holding at Bravo 1.
Kilo Romeo, roger. Caution, fixed wing on the active, surface wind 290, 13 knots.
Just going to wait for that aircraft. Can you see a deer running across in the field?
No.
Literally out the wingtip. Golf Kilo Romeo is aligning up runway 24. Kilo Romeo, we're going to descend down to 3,900 feet just to remain clear of cloud.
Golf Kilo Romeo, roger.
Looks so pretty, doesn't it? There it is.
We are now descending down to 3,500 feet just to remain clear of cloud as the cloud is starting to build up a bit more. We don't really want to go IMC conditions, we are staying VFR, so we're just going to go below cloud right now.
You just took
I wish I could do that. Golf Kilo Romeo, we are overhead Scarborough now, and we did descend to 2,300 feet as the cloud base is lower than expected.
Golf Kilo Romeo, roger.
Golf Kilo Romeo, we are now visual of Leeds East to request the frequency change to 120.710.
Golf Kilo Romeo, squawk 7,000, free call Leeds, could I?
Squawk 7,000, free call Leeds, thank you, bye-bye, Golf Kilo Romeo. Fenton Radio, good morning, this is Gold Driver Mike Kilo Romeo, request the radio and information.
Golf from Mike Kilo Romeo, Fenton Radio, runway 24, right hand, QNH 1018.
Runway 24, right hand, QNH 1018. We are currently overhead York. We'll be joining through the neighbour marine and probably end up doing going out onto straight file if there's no traffic to affect onto runway 24. Golf Kilo Romeo.
Golf Kilo Romeo, roger, I have no reported traffic in the ATZ at this time.
Roger, Golf Kilo Romeo. Golf Kilo Romeo, we are on a 3-mile final.
Roger, Citizen 290, 15 knots.
We've got a bit of a crosswind.
Huh?
So we've got a bit of a crosswind, so we can start slowing down.
Okay.
Golf Kilo Romeo, we are on final for runway 24.
Fixed wing PA-28, last reported 3-mile final.
Visual at PA-28, go copy here.
Surface wind 300, 16 knots.
Everyone into the wind. Golf Kilo Romeo, runway vacated, one will be taxiing to get some fuel.
Kilo Romeo, roger.
Fueled the aircraft up, parked up, just outside Hangar 3 in Leeds East. Hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more.